watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Alright, today on DIYNate, we've got one of our headlights that's out. You can see how this one works fine, and this one is shot. So we're going to replace that. We've got the H13 model number 9008 on it from Sylvania. Basically one lamp. Costs about $10 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the video description if you want to buy one of these things. We're going to make a quick change out. This is something a mechanic may charge you a little bit for. We're going to do it ourselves and make it easy on us. So let's get it done. Okay, so our first step is going to pop our hood here. Just load the hood up on my cheap Compass DIYNate here. Put our hook up here. There we go. And for starters, we're just going to take the old one out. And so back here behind the light, you're going to see there is an insert here, and pretty much you should just be able to take it, twist it counterclockwise. So I'm going to try and twist it, see if I can get it out of there. It's a little tricky today. So there we go, get it counterclockwise, and you're going to just pull that bulb out of there. You can see that's our matching piece there. And so in a lot of cases there'll be a red tab here, but normally you'll pull that red tab out and that'll release the bulb. So I should just be able to take this bulb out just like that. And so that one's our trash bulb, and we'll just swap it right here with our, again, Sylvania Basic H13 9008 bulb. I didn't spend too much on it. I'm going to be careful not to touch the bulb when you're opening these things. Pretty much that can cause you some problems. So we'll just take the new bulb out here, and just like you saw me take it out, it goes in very easily. In a matter of minutes, you should have this little project done. Throw that away. Take our bulb back here. And line up the pins here. Make sure everything is good to go. Switch it. There we go. Clamp together. And again, if you had that little red tab, you'd lock that back in place. But for me, I don't have one of those right here, so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so one thing I like to do before I put something back together, a lot of times I'll try to check it just to make sure it's working before I get all the way through the process of reattaching it. So we're going to check our headlight. I'll just set this in some position that you can balance a little bit right there without touching the top. And then we'll turn it on the inside. Go there. So I was having a little trouble getting the other one on there, and I realized the rubber gasket was on there still from the old one. So make sure you get your rubber gasket off. So now slide this guy right back in place. Should go on nice and neat. Nice and easy. Push it in, turn it, and your project is done. Again, we'll check it one more time. So, all is good in the world. Everything's running right. Our light bulb has been changed. You got to see a quick exchange there. In fact, I really didn't need any tools at all, which was great. Easy change, easy project, save you some money, and do it in about 5 minutes. So, thanks for watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.